Mills, in collaboration with DEWMAK Energy, is taking a powerful step towards a cleaner and more sustainable future with a large-scale solar energy initiative. With a clear focus on reducing carbon emissions and improving energy efficiency, Acme Mills has successfully implemented a 903 kilowatt solar power system, strengthening its commitment to renewable energy. This advanced solar installation generates over 1.318 million units of clean electricity every year, ensuring reliable and cost-effective power for industrial operations. The financial impact is substantial. For Acme Mills, this project delivers annual electricity savings of more than Rs 55.4 million, enhancing operational efficiency while protecting the business from rising energy costs. The environmental benefits are equally impressive. By shifting to solar energy, this system helps reduce approximately 593 tons of carbon emissions every year. That is equivalent to planting around 28,200 trees annually, a meaningful contribution toward cleaner air and a healthier environment. This collaboration between Acme Mills and DEWMAK Energy demonstrates that industrial growth and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand. It's more than just a solar installation, it's a long-term vision for sustainability, progress, and responsible manufacturing. Acme Mills and DEWMAK Energy, powering industry with clean energy today and for generations to come.